This cool cold weather project might just make your neighbors jealous. It's easy to get bored in the winter since you spend most of your time stuck inside. This, of course, leads people to find creative ways to entertain themselves during the long months of winter. Some people spend time doing things inside like cuddling up with a good book, going bowling, or even watching an endless stream of movies. The more adventurous of us will find ways to make the best of the great outdoors. Last winter, one such person, Daniel Gray, decided to travel from New Zealand to Canada to visit his sweet girl and her lovely family. Being that his visit landed in the middle of winter, he decided to come up with a great project the whole family could participate in together. During his visit with his girlfriend Kathleen in Edmonton over the holidays, they set about building an igloo to help combat any potential case of cabin fever. When you think about igloos, you probably imagine a white dome made out of ice, but Daniel had something much more fun in mind. Instead of white blocks, he decided to fill milk cartons with ice and add in food coloring to make a colorful abode that's creatively clever, don't you think? He knew that making a colored igloo would be an uphill battle, but the final result would be Instagram worthy. Heading outside with a shovel, he started to clear the area that would house the igloo. He then laid the first layer of colored bricks in a circle. After that, he packed them in with a heavy layer of snow, using water to seal it in. The main challenge was ensuring there was a thick enough layer to support the following layers of colored blocks that would be stacked on top. A proper base would stop the ice block from slipping and melting, as well as provide a cushion for the structure. To keep it from crushing anyone inside, it had to be structurally sound, and with this technique, it seemed like it would work. The project would take many days to complete, but it looked promising, and the whole family got involved with the fun outdoor task. As the layers went up, his colorful igloo started to take shape. Before it was even half done, he started getting accolades regarding his winter delight. Daniel kept building until it was finally time to make the roof, and that's when he enlisted the help of his girlfriend's family. They helped hold the bricks while he packed and set the roof. The family and Kathleen made sure to take pictures through the whole process to show off his skill and the steps required to complete the process. You can tell just how large it is by how small everyone looks while they're inside. The news eventually got wind of this unique project and decided to interview Daniel regarding his winter escapade. The igloo itself was a sight to behold, and the colored blocks took the project to a whole new level. It was like being surrounded by a bag of cold Skittles. You could literally taste the rainbow. The real adventures came when the interior was lit and viewed at night. Overall, this crafty work of winter art took them 5 days to make, and a whole lot of dedication. You could almost smell the hot cocoa when you imagine them sitting inside all snug and cozy in their rainbow winter creation. I bet everyone will be trying this project in their yards next winter, while Daniel is planning even something better than before. Do you think you and your friends could make this awesome ice display? Share it now to find out.